Do you want to know how you can log into your SMC Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your account which is on SMC. So, if you want to log into your SMC Mutual Fund account, this video is for you. First of all, open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for SMC Mutual Fund Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Easy Invest, which is powered by SMC Mutual Fund. Now you can see the login portal over here. There are three categories: client, distributor and employee. To log into your client account, click on client, write down your PAN number, your password, click login, and then you can log into your client ID. To log into your distributor ID, click on distributor, write down your sub-broker code, your password, click login, and then you can successfully log in as a distributor. If you are an employee in SMC, click on employee, write down employee code, write down your password, make sure you look at your password once and then click login. This way you can log into all of your portals in your SMC Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.